Hello guys, welcome to today's video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to promote affiliate products using 100% free traffic source and no website. So if you're new to my channel, my name is 𝗛𝗙𝗢𝗍𝗪 and today I'm going to be your guide. Now this strategy you're about to learn works for any affiliate network out there and any industry, any niche at all, and it works worldwide. The network which you're going to be focusing on today is called CLICKBANK. So if you're new to CLICKBANK, CLICKBANK is simply an affiliate network that you can find offers to promote. When you promote these offers, people click your affiliate link to buy these offers, then you earn commissions. Now, if you don't have a CLICKBANK account, simply come to this website, then click on the Start Here button to create an account. But if you already have an account with CLICKBANK, simply click on the login button here to log into your account. Okay, so now I'm logged into my account. So what you need to do now is to find an offer. If you don't know how to get to this page, once you log into your account, click on your username there, then you'll be brought to this page. So just click on marketplace to be brought to this exact page here. Now, once on this page, you need to find an offer you need to promote. So here, these offers you're seeing here works like all these offers you're seeing on CLICKBANK. They are high selling offers. They are converting very well. All you just need to do is just pick one to start promoting, and you earn commission promoting this product. So in this specific video, the niche or the industry we're going to be focusing on is the that's the health niche, and specifically the weight loss niche. So what we need to do here is to pick an offer. So let's say, for instance, okay, we're going to pick this dental offer, which is called ProDentin. So what you need to do is to get your affiliate link now. Now, to get your affiliate link, you just need to click on the promote button here. So the traffic source which you're going to be using today is called Medium. So just type Medium here. While you're typing this Medium name here, which is this is optional, but while you're typing this, is to enable us to know that, okay, when we get a sale through our activities on medium.com, then we know that, okay, that sale actually came from Medium. So we can track very well if we have multiple traffic sources that are bringing us profit or sales, you understand, so that we can track very well. Okay, so once you do all that, just click on your create hop link button here to get your affiliate link. Now, once your link comes out, you just need to click on copy so you can save it on Notepad or somewhere else. Now, once you come here, I just paste it on Notepad here, so I can just close this. Okay, so what we can do here is to open the affiliate page so that we can see more information about this offer, so that we can know actually what we are doing, what kind of product we are promoting. Okay, so just like I always say to my students, before you can promote an offer successfully and make all those 7 figures you do see here and there on YouTube and so many other places, you need to think like the vendor. Think like you're the owner of this product. Ask yourself, okay, I'm the owner of this product. What kind of people am I looking for to buy this offer? That's where we're coming to this page so that we can read more information about this product, so that we can know how to best position our ad or our strategy or our efforts, so that it can best speak to these audiences and enable them to convert into sales when they click on our links. So here we can read more information and we can see that, okay, this is an offer that maybe helps cure something about the teeth and all those stuff. So you can read more information about all this here. You can see their target audience. You can see every other thing. You can see the commission you're going to earn. If you're running ad, I like to always point out that you don't need to do brand building on this product. If you do brand building on this keyword, it might cause CLICKBANK to ban your account or the vendor to remove you from their affiliate program and seize all your commissions. So you need to take note of that. Okay, let's say, for instance, we know every information about this product. You've seen it. Okay, this is ProDentin. This is for teeth, and so let's get into how to promote this product. So now, let's say, for instance, this strategy, like I said, works for any industry, whether you make money online, niche, software, any niche at all. All you just need to do is just follow the process I'm going to show you in this video. And don't forget, if you're finding value from this video, smash that subscribe button, like this video, and also share it with your friends. Okay, so now the traffic source which you're going to be using today is called Medium.com. So if you don't know what Medium.com is just like a micro blog where you can blog about things, write articles about things, and get exposure for your article. So people can come to your article, read about your article, and possibly go to anywhere you're trying to send them to. So it's just like a traffic source that you can use to also send traffic to your website or your blog if you have any of those. But if you don't have a blog or a website, you can also create all your blog articles on Medium. But I highly recommend you have your own blog and website, so that at least it's a website or blog you own, so that you can, do anything with those audience. So on Medium, you just create an article on Medium. They come to your article, they read about the topic you're trying to explain to them, see everything, and potentially click on your link to go over to any destination you're trying to send it. So you don't do much about it. But on your website, you can send them to anywhere, get them to opt to your email list, or buy something from your store, or go anywhere you want to send them to. But that is an advantage of having a blog. But if you don't have money to get a blog, you can also use Medium, just like as I'm going to show you today. Okay, so here on Medium, remember we've gotten the offer we want to promote. We know about the offer. It's a dental offer. So now you need to think, what do I need to do to get traffic for this offer? So what you need to do now is you need to think as like in terms of the visitor or the person, prospect who is going to buy that offer. What kind of problem are they facing? Now, it might be that somebody is facing maybe toothache and, they need to do something to cure their toothache or pain relief, all those kind of stuff. So you know that, okay, this pro-denting offer, it solves that problem. What you're supposed to do as an affiliate and somebody who is thinking like the vendor is to create articles related to that niche, which is the dental niche. So in order to create that kind of article, if you don't know how to, like a beginner, if you don't know how to, what you need to do is to just come to Google here, do a simple search. Okay, how to, okay, so this is it, how to cure toothache. So you can just come here, type this here. Then you can see 11 home natural remedies to, you can go here, open this in a new tab. When you open this in a new tab, so what you're going to do is just go through this article, read about this article. And when you're done reading about this article, what you need to do is just open a Google Doc and make your own notes. So let me just open a Google Doc to show you the process. Okay, so this is our Google Doc here. So what we can do is, we'll just come here, just copy this topic. Then we come here, we can put it here. Then we can also put it here. So once we do that, then we can come here, as you read, you start crafting your own. So what you're just trying to do with this website is just learn more information about the product you're trying, like the topic you're trying to get into. So you just come here, just get some information about this. Maybe you can write all these things here. I don't want to make this thing very long. So let me just put some few paragraphs here. Okay. So I just copy this 4 here. Then at the end of this page, you just put this call to action here. I think this is very important. Yeah. Let me just do it like that for the meantime. Okay. So here, what we can do is after doing all this here, we just go copy every single thing here. Then we copy. Then we go back to our Medium account. Remember, you've already created your Medium account. If you have a Google this, you can open that's Gmail account. You can open a Medium account. It's very easy. So yeah, I'll just come here. I think this is it here. This just pardon me for the noise you're hearing. So it's kind of my friends making some noise outside. Okay, so yeah, you just click on this right button icon here. Don't worry, when you do that, you just paste this here. When you paste this, you scroll up here. When you scroll up here, then you just copy it because this is the title. You cancel it here. Then you paste this here. So this is where the title will be. Now, when you're done with this, you just scroll down to the bottom here. So this space where you have this here, this space here, all you need to just copy this. Then your affiliate link, which you copied from CLICKBANK for that specific offer. So you just copy your affiliate link here. Then you come back to your article. You come back to your article here on Medium. Then you click on this button here, the link button. Then you paste it and you click on enter. So when they click on this link here, it will send them to the sales page of the offer which you're trying to promote. So you can repeat this for all these links here. Instead of sending them to some other article, you can just repeat it. Make sure your link is embedded in all these links here. Remove these links. To remove them, you just come here. You just click on this here. Then click on it again. Then you paste the link here. So if somebody click on this place here to take them to the offer, let's just see what's going to do. So let's click on it so you can see where to take them to. Okay, it's telling them that you see the redirect that's happening there. So to take them to the offer. So now you can see the offer there. So this is just how it works. Now, if you're done with all these things, formatted it very, you can also add some images there. Then you can click on publish. Then remember, if you added an image, it's going to automatically pick the image for you. But I didn't add an image yet. So let's see if I can add some image there. Let me just go. Let me see image. So you can also do reviews for this product. Like you can also review the product. So you can search for. I'll show you at the end of this video. Okay, so let's say we're done with downloading this image here. So to add the image, okay. So here, this is it here. So but let me see if I can. Okay, let me just leave it here for now. So yeah, but you can just spend your time to format it there. So I'll just click on publish here. let me just put this here. Maybe I do this. Okay, so here I delete this one here. Okay, so once I do all this here, let's see if I can publish. There's an image there now. Why is it not showing? Oh, it's okay. It will still pick it out. So let's publish for now. Okay, so it will pick. You can see now it has picked the image. So here you can optimize your post very well. You can write anything you want to write there. Let's say I'll go here, I'll copy some text here, but you can just optimize it very well for SEO. Optimizing simply means adding keywords that are relevant to your post. So I'll just add this here. Then here I'll just put to brush. Okay, it's okay. To decay. You can see I'm adding things that are related to this, so you can best. Okay, please let's see. So all this, so you can just spend your time to do all this. And then when I'm done, I'll just click on publish. So let's just publish it for now. Let me just publishing story. So let's see what's going to happen. Okay, now you can see the story now. So if you continue doing this every single day, you're going to get results. Is that what is guaranteed? Because now you might be asking, okay, why do you need to use what's the name of this website? Medium. So let me just show you some statistics about this website here. So when you click on it here, you can see this website is getting 150 million visitors every single month. You can see 136 million on average. Now, when you see the traffic, the countries with the most traffic source to this website, you can see United States, India, Canada, United Kingdom, and Brazil. You can also see the traffic source. That's sources bringing back traffic to Medium.com. Now you can see it is search, direct, social, referral, and the rest of them there. So to show you that this website is actually getting organic traffic, because what we need is organic traffic, except from the traffic on Medium itself. Because we want our posts from Medium to be showing up on Google search when people search about this product. So like I said, you can also do review about the product. So I think the product name is, what's the name of this product? So this product name is Prodemptin. So just put Prodemptin there, then you can see here Prodemptin reviews. So you can just come here. If you can do YouTube videos, you can also do that. But that's another strategy to promote. I'll still show you in the next one of our upcoming videos. Now you can see these reviews there. So if you want faster results, you can also review the product itself. So you can come here, read information about reviews, what other people are writing about reviews from this product, to craft your own review. So that is also how to do. You read this here. When you read this, you see how they format everything. You create your own document, you craft your own review. And when you're done with that, you can publish that review on sites like Medium.com. So when you publish it on Medium.com, when people search for Prodemptin reviews on Google, your article itself, since it's high quality, it will have the potential of showing up on Google, that's Google site. Because why? Medium has a high authority domain. So Medium is a trusted website, a trusted publishing website, and Google knows that Medium has authority. So your website also, your article itself has more potential of showing up on Google search compared to other websites that are smaller than Medium showing up on. So all you need to focus on is creating a high quality review or post or article about that topic you're trying to write about. And when you do all this, you're going to be getting traffic back to your offer. So this is also how to promote with Medium.com. Now, if you're looking for a proven online business to start right now and make money online, simply check out the first link in my description there. You will see the link to download my free blueprint. So now this is the blueprint that's allowed me to build a 7-figure online business, promoting other people's products just like this. I don't own the product, I don't touch the product, I don't do customer service for the product. I just promote it just like this. So if you want to see how I do all this and make money online, simply download that blueprint. So I hope you found enough value in this video. And if you found value in this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and also share it with your friends. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.